Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. We are continuing with my collection. In today's video, I'm going to show you, among the others, the locks that I made. This is a 3-lever padlock made by myself, handmade, handcrafted. This is the last one I made, so it's almost like it's made in factory. Really well executed. I'm proud of it. This is model number 80 because it's 80 millimeters wide. Huge padlock. Thick padlock. Reminds of some Soviet padlocks and of course a bit of a Chubb English padlock. Behind it also my padlock, which I made. This lock is made from bicycle fork, downhill fork, all downhill fork. So you see, it has a regular lock, pin tumbler, but everything else was made by myself, and it's pretty okay. I'm not proud of it, but it's okay. Next one, second lock that I made, number 95L, which means light, which means that I didn't use so much material, so much heavy material to make it. I experimented with iron nails, how to make rivets, so I called it Factory 74. So this is the lock. And also one more from the same bicycle fork, downhill fork, but a bit smaller. This one has larger shackle, this one has smaller shackle. I have this first lock that I made, huge lock, it's really heavy, about 1.5 kilograms, 3 levers, 95 millimeters wide, and really huge lock. Really huge padlock. They have their keys, which I also made. Key ring, keychain, and the keys themselves. Also one more. This one is made out of bicycle fender. So bicycle fender wires are especially good for huge key rings, and of course this 011 also. The cuts 0 and 11, and this is the actuator part. This one those two were also those two were made for this lock, but I was lazy enough not to make another set of keys for this lock, so I decided to use the key from one key from this lock for this one, this blue one, and that's why those two padlocks have only one key and this one has both of them. For those locks made out of bicycle fork, regular keys. Behind them we have a whole set of water-resistant padlocks, Chinese padlocks, everything that is sold in my country and pretty much in Europe, I have them. Those are all the same. All the same locks are inside, but different covers and different names. All variety of them. So we have those. Next up, let me open this globe combination padlock. Pretty cool lock from Temu. Dial combination padlock with buttons. Huge combination padlock, copy of master lock. Chinese copy Baoli of Viro. Another Baoli. KMT. Hengxin is the biggest ever produced padlock from China. This lock is enormous, almost kilo and a half, maybe even kilo and a half. Huge padlock. I don't know if you could see it, but you can't feel the lock if you don't take it in hand. This is huge lock. Huge, enormous padlock. Never saw such lock from China. BN Polish padlock. Huge lock also. BN means industrial standard in Poland. Body King from India. Those zinc locks, I think the name is Holy Power in Chinese. Baoli. It's not brass Baoli. This Baoli is made out of sinter iron, as always, but it's a pretty cool lock with pretty cool mechanism. You see, really cool mechanism, and of course I lubricated the end. It dropped some lube on the old furniture, which is not a big problem. It will be replaced. Many of the things in this old flat of mine will be replaced, so nothing special. Here are some regular Chinese padlocks. Unbowed push key padlock. Really interesting lock, works nice. Blossom, copy of Toko's 11.2. Lockout, tagout, Lotto lock from China. KMT. Transparent lock with this rubber cover. Lemon. Stalex. Some Chinese generic laminated lock. Brass lock, which I salvaged from the total crap. This is disc detainer, transparent lock. And here we have one more Chinese lock, small U-same, copy of master number 5, and huge padlock. Huge padlock from China, but it's really well executed. Inside are ball bearings, full brass core, full brass Bible. This lock is really good, really well executed. Down there I have Chinese locks, all of them made in China, typical Chinese, and one more Body King from India. So pretty much this is for this part. That's all for this part. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.